sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista and I'm a stay-at-home mom to two little boys who are right here. Hi! Today's video is what I do in a day, my cleaning routine, how I manage it with two boys, and this video is in collaboration with my friend Tracy here on YouTube. Be sure to go and check out her video after you're done watching mine. I love her content. She does amazing job on her videos. So I'm so excited to be doing this collaboration with her. So be sure to go check her out after you see this. And yeah, let's get into the video. Also, I'm going to let Tracy introduce herself. She made a little intro, so I'm going to insert it right now.
Hi guys, my name is Tracy and my channel is Life as Tracy Marie. Over here on my channel, I post lots of cleaning motivation, a few recipes here and there, a couple grocery hauls, and my kids are always in my videos. I'm a full-time working mom of two. My daughter will be 6 and my son will be 3, and my husband works off shift, so that leaves me by myself to cook and clean and take care of the kids and just get it all done. If any of that sounds interesting to you, I would love for you to head on over to my channel after you are finished watching Krista's video. Subscribe if you like my content and give me a thumbs up so that I know that you do. I hope to see you over there. Bye guys.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make my bed. It can get kind of hectic sometimes because both boys love to try to get up on the bed and jump on the bed, especially Parker. But today actually wasn't that hard, so that was nice to be able to just get it done and have it all done and over with.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes I can't see.
The next thing I'm going to do is get some laundry started. I'm actually still caught up on laundry, so that's really nice. We'll only have this one load to do. But Parker loves to help me do the laundry. He loves putting the stuff in there. He loves throwing clothes in the washer or in the dryer. So I had him help me get the washer started. another thing that can be kind of hard to do with the boys is cooking. So I rely on a lot of crock pot meals, and in this video I am making my pot roast. It's just very easy for me to do. I just chop up some veggies and throw it in there with the pot roast and some dill seasoning and A1 sauce, and I let it go all day, and it makes it so much easier when it comes to dinner time.
It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And when I try, but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
At this point, the boys were eating lunch, and usually when they're eating lunch or they're down for a nap and quiet time is when I do something that doesn't really require me to constantly look after them. So I decided to do the dishes while they were eating and clean up the kitchen a little bit. So that's what I'm doing here.
To laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck, I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best. on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
So I have a weekly cleaning schedule or checklist. Sorry if you can hear Parker in the background. He is loud sometimes. But every day I do a different room to make sure it gets nice and clean. And this day just so happened to be the boys' room. As you can see, they kind of destroy their room from time to time. So it was definitely needed. And I try to make sure that Parker helps me in the cleaning up of his toys and things like that. And he actually helped me clean up the toys that were in the living room as well.
Can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say,
thankfully this time there wasn't a lot to clean up in the living room, but there was some toys in the living room and in the hallway, so we wanted to get that cleaned up before we laid down for nap time and quiet time. Parker doesn't really nap anymore. He hasn't napped for a little over a year now, so usually when I lay Oliver down for a nap, I just give him my phone or his tablet and make him lay down in bed, and he has quiet time.
You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside. 'Cause you can I said. See it in your mind. Trust that. Have what it takes inside. 'Cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who?
Last thing that was on my list to do before nap time was to do the laundry, well, fold the laundry. And so that's what I'm doing here. Usually when I'm folding laundry, the boys want to try to quote unquote help me, or they'll be throwing toys in the laundry basket, or they'll be pulling clothes off. This time it seemed that there was a lot of ball throwing between the boys, so that's what I was doing here, is just throwing the ball and making them go catch it.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Alright guys, so that is going to be the end of the video. I really don't do a whole lot when it comes to my cleaning routine. Every day is something different. This just so happened what it was today. I'm a little bit out of breath, sorry, from chasing the boys, but yeah, I have a weekly cleaning list where I focus on one room at a time. So today's room was the boys' room, which we finally got all the toys put back in their places, so that's good. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation. Don't forget to like and comment down below letting me know what you thought of the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.